Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are watching online videos regularly. We have already finished our chapter 4. Now today we are going to start revision of this chapter. So let's start. Chapter 4, Safety. Now let's start with revision. What do you mean by safety? A state of being safe from danger or injury. If we stay safe, we can keep ourselves away from any injury or danger. Some safety rules that we can follow are: always wait for your turn while playing on a slide. Use zebra line for crossing the road. We must walk in a queue while climbing the stairs. We must form a queue to board the bus. Do not use sharp things like scissors, knives, blades, and wires. Do not touch electrical objects with wet hands. We should not push anyone on the stairs. We should not run on the stairs. We should not push each other while playing on swings and slides. We must not run and cross the road. Always cross the road with an elder. We should never put our hands outside the window while traveling in a vehicle. Always inform your parents or an elder at home before going outside to play. We should not talk to strangers. First aid. Kids, what do you mean by first aid? Sometimes, even if we are careful, we can get hurt. We should immediately help the injured person or call an elder for help in such a situation. The help that is given to an injured person right after an injury is called first aid. If someone is wounded, we should wash the affected area with water or antiseptic liquid. Then apply an antiseptic cream using cotton. Cover the wound with bandage. If the wound is very deep, then the injured person must be taken to a doctor for proper treatment. If someone gets minor burn, then we should immediately put cold water on the affected area. We can also keep the burnt area under running tap water for some time. Then apply an antiseptic cream. Things that we need for first aid are kept in a box. This box is known as the first aid box or first aid kit. Some of the common things that are kept in a first aid box are as follows: an antiseptic liquid, an antiseptic cream, cotton, gauze and bandages, a pair of tweezers, and a pair of scissors. Kids, how can we be safe at different places? Let me tell you. At home, stranger alert, fire alert, avoid sharp object, caution on the stairs. Traveling in a vehicle. Don't put your head or hand outside a moving vehicle. Get on and off a bus only at a bus stop after it has stopped. Do not disturb the driver. While riding a bicycle, keep to the left of the road. Avoid busy roads. Wear a cycling helmet on the road. Using the zebra crossing. Watch out for the signal. While playing, no playing on the road. No wandering off alone. Wait for turn at the seesaw, slide and swing. Let's recall. First, we can stay safe if we are careful. Second, boarding a bus in a queue, not playing with electrical things and sharp objects are some ways by which we can stay safe. Third, the help given to an injured person right after an injury is called first aid. Fourth, things needed to provide first aid are kept in a box known as the first aid box. Did you know in air ambulance service, helicopters and aeroplanes serve as ambulance to carry the patient to a hospital? Words to know. Safety, a state of being safe from danger or injury. Queue, a line of people. First aid, the help given to an injured person right after an injury. Antiseptic, a liquid or an ointment that is applied on a wound. Tweezers, a tool used for picking up very small things. Gauze, a type of thin cotton cloth used for covering and protecting wounds. Thank you. Goodbye.